Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2021 to 2023 Volvo S60? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo S60 houses fuses and relays that protect and control vital engine and electrical components. It ensures safe power distribution to systems like the cooling fan, fuel pump, and ECM. Fuse box under the glove compartment. The fuse box under the glove compartment in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo S60 contains fuses for interior electrical components. It manages circuits for features like the infotainment system, interior lights, climate control, and power seats. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box in the 2021 to 2023 Volvo S60 controls and protects electrical components located in the rear of the vehicle. It includes fuses for systems like the rear window defroster, power trunk, fuel system components, and rear seat functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.